Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is low agricultural productivity. Introduction. Agriculture is the backbone of the India economy and provides employment to a large section of the population. Despite its importance, agricultural productivity in India is comparatively low when compared to many developed countries. Low productivity means low output per hectare of land or per farmer. Several natural, economic, technological, and institutional factors are responsible for this problem. To improve agricultural productivity, the government has introduced various policies, schemes, and reforms. Causes of low productivity of agriculture: human factor, lack of education and awareness. Many farmers are unaware of modern farming techniques, scientific cultivation, and government schemes. They are illiterate or less educated. Affect continued use of outdated farming methods. Low productivity and poor crop management. Poverty of farmers. Most farmers have low income and lack savings. They cannot afford modern seeds, fertilizer, irrigation, or machinery. Affect low investment in agriculture. Continued dependence on traditional farming. Pressure of population on agriculture. A large population depends on agriculture for livelihood. Excess labor is engaged in farming. It is one of the main causes of low productivity of Indian agriculture. Affect disguised unemployment. Low productivity per worker. Conservatism and resistance to change. Some farmers hesitate to adopt new technology and modern practices. Stuck in the loop of traditional practices. Affect slow modernization of agriculture. Indebtedness of farmers. Farmers often borrow from moneylenders at high interest rates. Affect financial burden and inability to improve farming methods. Technical factors. Dependence on monsoon. A large part of Indian agriculture depends on rainfall. Problems. Irregular monsoon affects crop production. Droughts and floods damage crops. Lack of assured irrigation reduces productivity. Result: farmers suffer losses and agricultural output becomes uncertain. Lack of irrigation facilities. Many agricultural areas do not have proper irrigation systems. They mainly depend on the rain. Only 40% of the land has proper irrigation systems. Affect crop failure during inadequate rainfall. Low agricultural productivity. Traditional methods of cultivation. Farmers still use old tools and traditional techniques, like manual plowing, old irrigation systems etc. Affect low efficiency and lower crop yield. Poor quality seeds. Use of low quality or traditional seeds reduces production. Affect lower crop productivity. Low use of fertilizer and pesticide. Farmers cannot afford sufficient fertilizer and pesticide. Affect soil fertility decreases. Crops become vulnerable to diseases and pests. Lack of mechanization. Limited use of tractors, harvesters, and modern machinery. Affect slow farming operations and low productivity. Soil degradation. Excessive use of chemicals and soil erosion reduce soil fertility. Affect decline in agricultural output. Institutional factors. Small and fragmented land holdings. Land is divided into small and scattered plots. Affect difficult to use machinery and modern farming methods. Increased cost of cultivation. Defective land tenure system. Tenant farmers often lack ownership rights. Affect lack of motivation to improve land productivity. Lack of agricultural credit. Farmers face difficulty obtaining loans from banks. Affect dependence on private moneylenders. Limited investment in farming. Inadequate storage and transport. Lack of warehouses, cold storage, and proper roads. Affect post-harvest losses and wastage. Poor marketing facilities. Farmers do not get proper market access or fair prices. Affect exploitation by middlemen. Low farmer income. Lack of government support in some areas. Inadequate implementation of schemes and extension services. Affect farmers do not fully benefit from government programs. Government measures to improve its productivity. Irrigation development programs. The government has developed irrigation projects to reduce dependence on monsoon. Measures construction of dams and canals, tube wells and drip irrigation. River valley projects. Benefits: assured water supply. Increased crop production. Green Revolution. The Green Revolution was introduced to increase food grain production. Main features: high yield variety, HYV, seeds, chemical fertilizer, pesticide, modern irrigation. Result: significant increase in wheat and rice production. Improvement in food security. Agricultural credit facilities. The government provides loans through commercial banks, cooperative banks, regional rural banks, RRBS, institutions, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. Benefits: easy and cheaper credit, reduction in dependence on moneylenders. Minimum Support Price, MSP. The government announces MSP for major crops. Objectives: protect farmers from price fluctuations, ensure fair income. Benefits: encourages production, increases farmer confidence. PMKSY Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana launched to improve irrigation facilities. Objective: more crop per drop. Promotes efficient water use through drip and sprinkler irrigation. Benefit: reduces dependence on monsoon and increases productivity. PKVY Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana promotes organic farming in India. Encourages farmers to avoid chemical fertilizer and pesticide. Benefit: improves soil fertility and produces eco-friendly crops. PMFBY Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana crop insurance scheme for farmers. Provides financial support for crop loss due to natural calamities, pests, or diseases. Benefit: protects farmers from financial losses. GBY Grameen Bhandaran Yojana scheme for construction of rural warehouses and storage facilities. Benefit: reduces post-harvest losses and improves storage of crops. PMKSNY Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana income support scheme for farmers. Eligible farmers receive financial assistance directly into their bank accounts. Benefit: helps farmers meet agricultural and household expenses. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.